Hello beautiful souls, welcome to my channel Mystical Annie. So we are doing a no contact reading for Taurus today. So let's see what do the cards have for us here. This is a general reading, please see how it resonates with you. If not, you can ignore the readings. For more accurate and personal readings, you can reach out to me. The rose can be reversed also, it can be your feeling or the person you are not in contact with, it can be their feelings. Okay, so let's see what are the energies for you right now. Okay, let's see what is the current energy in this situation. What is the current energy in this situation? What is the current energy in this situation? Okay. Seven of Cups. Let's see. Let's see what are their thoughts about you. What are the thoughts of the person about you? What are the thoughts of the person about you you're not in contact with? The thoughts of the person about you. Alright. What do they think about you? Sorry, what do they feel about you? What do they feel about you? What do they feel about you? What the cards are popping up? Okay, why have they gone silent? Why have they gone silent? Why have they gone silent, or why they are not reaching out to you, Taurus? Why they have gone silent? Why is there silence between the two energies? Why is there so much silence between the two energies? Why is there so much silence between the two energies? Okay, I'll take this one. Alright. Let's see what is blocking this connection. What is blocking this connection? What is blocking this connection? Let's see what is blocking this connection. Okay. Queen of Cups. Okay, what is the next move, if any, in next 1 to 2 weeks? What is the next move, if any, from your person in next 1 to 2 weeks? What is the next move, if any, in next 1 to 2 weeks? What is happening? The cards are just falling off. What is the next move, if any? See? Oh my god, Taurus, what is happening? Okay. Last shuffle. Okay. What is the advice for you, Taurus, here? What is the advice for you? Right. Again. What is the advice for you here? What is the advice for you here? What is the advice for you here? Okay. So bottom of the deck we have King of Cups and here we have Queen of Cups. Okay, let's see. Alright, so the current energy here is, I think either you or your person is stuck between making choices. Okay, you are not sure of which option to take. Maybe you or the other person is having so many options and they are not sure of picking up a right one. They are taking their own sweet time to make a selection. Okay, they are being observing, they are like being observant and see which one will work best for them, and they are kind of stuck before they could make a choice. Okay, so this is the current energy here. So their thoughts about you is, again, see, being indecisive. They are not able to decide what do they want in their life. They are not sure which option or which path they should take, and that is why they are, kind of stuck. They are not able to reach out, or they are not sure whether to reach out or not. They are not able to take a proper decision. Okay, they are not listening to their intuition. It's like, let's see, whatever happens, I'm not going to do anything here. That's the kind of energy I'm feeling. They are kind of emotionally stuck in the situation, not able to decide. What do they feel for you here is, I think there is so much of passion. There is so much of, the basically the passion energy in your connection. Mostly I think the physical attraction is too much instead of the emotional attachment. Okay, so that is why they are emotionally stuck. They are not sure which one they should opt for, so that they get what they want, physical, emotional, everything. Okay, so but here they think about you is, they have so much of physical attraction towards you. That is what I am seeing here. Okay, in this card. Now see, why they have gone silent here is because I think they are somewhere, I feel whatever was the need in this connection is fulfilled, and now one person is moving away to explore something which they are looking for a long term thing. Okay, somewhere, I don't know, I'm feeling this very strongly, that whatever they have achieved till now is somewhere they are not satisfied with it, and they want to explore more so that they can grow in life, and that is why they are moving away and trying to figure out. And they are not afraid of challenges, they are not afraid of what might come out, but they want to explore something new. And that is why I think here there's an option, there is an energy of choosing between so many options. Okay, that's not a good energy, I don't like it. Let's see what is blocking this connection. See, the blockage here is somewhere that emotional nurturing energy. I think they are somewhere not, either you or the person, as I said, the roles can be reversed, so it can be your or the person's energy. Here I think there is a lack of emotional connect, there is a lack of, you know, that caring and that nurturing feel which a person crave for in a relationship, some people crave for in a relationship. So that is somewhere is missing, and that is why this connection is blocked. They are not reaching out because they are not sure whether they will get that emotional connection or that emotional satisfaction in this relation or not, and that is why they are kind of, you know, not reaching out. They have gone silent to explore more options here. Yeah, let's see what is your next move. So the next move is, I think they might reach out to you, not too long, but the communication may be, you know, very straightforward. It's going to be very straightforward, but I feel it's going to be very good because you or the other person will have a clarity on what they want in your relation, and accordingly you can move ahead in your life. So there's a growth, sorry, my bad, there is this connection, communication definitely coming in, but it is definitely like you need to figure out what is good for you. Okay, so don't be in just this mindset of pleasing the other person. You need to keep in mind what are you looking for in a relationship, and then accordingly, you know, take the discussion or communication forward. Okay, this is the advice. Now, sorry, this was the next move. The advice for you here is to listen to your intuition. See, as I was saying, you need to be mindful of what do you want from this connection. So if you want the connection to be, you know, long term, listen to your intuition. Your intuition knows what is good for you and what will work out in the long run. Okay, so you need to listen to your intuition and then take a call. So there may be something when you're communicating, there maybe by that time or while communicating you might get to know something which is hidden from you till now, or there is a secret which might be revealed to you. Okay, which may not be a very, you know, positive or good thing, but you have to be very mindful. Okay, you might be going through so many of mood swings, but you need to listen to your intuition and then accordingly take a call. That's the advice for you, my dear Taurus. Let's see. Okay, let's see what are the additional messages we have. We will take 3 messages. Okay. Okay, so joy. Okay. And we have peace. Okay, and one more. We have focus. Okay, so as I was saying, focus on your intuition, listen to your intuition, and once you listen to your intuition, you will definitely know what is good for you. And once you listen to your intuition and you know what is good for you, and when you take a call accordingly, you definitely have that sense of satisfaction, right? That peace you feel within. So that is what the message coming in, and it may be a difficult situation for quite some time, but in the long run you will definitely have that, you know, that whatever you did was for your highest good, and that will somewhere make you feel happy. Okay, so these are the messages for you, Taurus. If you have liked it, please subscribe to my channel for daily tarot insights. Bye bye.